Let me tell you this story
Easy music.
about the two soon-to-be kings. Their father sent them out with all the tools they need to build their own kingdom. One started, but then they stopped. The other one kept going. It says, my door's always open.
Purchase your tracks today.
So as the other one started to build again, he finds strength within him. But he thought the world was against him, but he was against himself. So the walls he tried to build crumbled. He had to take away a pause for the cause, so he could see things clear. And as he got a taste, his world changed. His kingdom reigned. And when they put their kingdoms together, they was conquerors worldwide. They was part of the first adventure. That's an adventure. Don't let the Latin fool you.
Purchase your tracks today.
Where he at? Marching in them fields, in the war room, trying to develop peace instead of war. Then the father came down with rain, lightning, brimstones, and fire. He said, you try to stop my sons? Do you understand the rhythm that they have? So I'm gonna release it to the world. Simba, call me when you want me. I got the beat. I want you to know. Heaven up, baby. Stay strong. You can do it.